Hey everybody, I am Joe. I'm a second year resident here at Scripps Mercy Chula Vista Family Medicine Residency Program, and I am in the area of concentration of sports medicine. A little bit about me: I grew up here in San Diego. I went to med school out at Rush in Chicago, and I did a sports med rotation out there, which I really enjoyed and wanted to do a fellowship when I got to residency. A little bit about the sports med exposure that we get here. We work on Wednesday mornings at our San Ysidro Health Clinic. We do common ailments of our community down here. We have a UCSD physician who comes in with a butterfly ultrasound. We do injections, and you get kind of this learning experience where you're one-on-one with the attending, and they're always right there every step of the way to teach you. We also work with a family med doctor who is a dedicated sports medicine doc in primary care, and you can work with complaints that are just all MSK complaints. So not like your regular, family medicine clinics. You see every single type of MSK complaint there and get a lot of different experience with injections. We also have a concussion clinic on Monday afternoons. That's a UCSD doctor who invites us over there. So if you're interested in doing the AOC, you can work with them. We also work with a renowned pediatric MSK primary care sports med physician who works at an outpatient clinic at Rady Children's Hospital, and you see a variety of pediatric complaints, which is really interesting. You'll see like cancers, you'll see soft tissue masses, a bunch of the normal things like ankle sprains, but you just see a wide variety of pathologies, and I find it super interesting. We also get sideline experience doing high school football sidelines on Friday nights. You'll see your knees, your ankles, your shoulders, a bunch of experience working with the athletic trainers there and making sure that emergencies are handled. We have Saturday morning injury clinics where a bunch of the kiddos and high schoolers from the South Bay come with their injuries, and they have a free clinic where orthopedic physicians, orthopedic residents, and us family med residents are working with athletic trainers to diagnose these high schoolers with whatever injury that they suffered in their game that week before on Friday. Another sideline experience that I've been to is on the college soccer side of things at University of San Diego. We have a doctor who you can text and just casually do some sideline sports medicine at a collegiate level in terms of soccer. So that's been really fun as well. The AOC itself, you have quarterly meetings where we review lectures and review high yield sports topics. You get help with planning your electives, how to apply to fellowship if that's something you're interested in. And you don't have to do this AOC and apply to fellowship. You can just do it if you're like interested in sports. We also, in the AOC, do a community-oriented primary care project in sports medicine. So I think I'm gonna do mine right now in teaching the faculty and high school coaches how to use AEDs, how to do CPR, and get CPR certified, CPR instructor certified to teach them that. So hopefully potentially save a life one day. And then you also replace an average of one of your regular family medicine clinics a month with a dedicated sports med clinic. So you do get more exposure there to sports medicine patients and experiences. And you also have the opportunity to attend a sports medicine national conference as part of the residency program, as long as you submit an abstract and get it accepted to present there, which I was coached by a senior resident last year to do, and it was just such a good experience, and I feel so grateful for having gone. Other than that, I'd say a little bit of tips are, if you're interested, halfway through your intern year, or if you know right off the bat that that's what you're interested in, just let your faculty advisor know, and they'll get you all hooked up with the experiences that you need to get into the AOC and to kind of prep you for fellowship and get all the opportunities that we have to offer here at our residency. Thanks for listening. I feel like this was a little long-winded, but if you're interested in sports, I hope it helps. Feel free to reach out.